Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. After long time, I am making a video once again. So this 1 year, I was occupied with so many things and so many clients. I was handling their portfolios, so unable to make videos. Going forward, I will make sure to make a good analysis video on FI and DI's data. So this is an opportunity to share the FI and DI's data before the Lok Sabha elections results. This will be beneficiary for the old people as well the newcomers to analyze how and what the big player have done in for F&O their positions. So let's begin. So just recap for the old people and as well as newcomers. So this is a future index in percentage wise. So before that we have four players, those who get the money and how the Indian stock market runs with their money. FIS, DIS and client. Client are retailers. Those are us who trade, and these are the promoters are big players like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, a big investors, and this is an option index contracts, call and put, and this comes under writing or buying. Minus matlab writing, plus matlab buying. This is stock future percentage long and short. In stock, who is how much percentage long they have, how much percentage short they have. So example, see in future index, this is an index. They can hedge their position in index while going long in stock futures, or else they can buy in cash market and they can hedge in this tool F&O. So let's begin and check what these players are doing before the election results. So FII in future index long they have 14% and short they have 86%. It means before 2-3 days only they have covered their long positions. 41% long they have covered and they have increased their short. It means they are bearish in futures now, whereas in option index, and option index can include all the five indices what we have like Nifty Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty. So in that mostly it can be Nifty and Bank Nifty only. So in call they were having a 5,57,000 call writing contracts, and put they have 2 lakhs of put writing contracts. So put writing is also more, and in future index there are negative, here also slight negative only they have, and in stock future percentage they are 57% long and 43% short. So whereas they have purchased for 1,613 crores on Friday. So what is the view of FII? They are hedging their position in futures and options, but they are neutral in stock futures. They have purchased on Friday. So they totally hedge, but mostly on a negative side they have hedge. If something went wrong, they can recover from falling market. So this is the hedging position they made. So DII we will not see because they won't play much in F&O, but they purchase in cash market only. So client are the retailers, those are us. So we are very much bullish in future index, 69% long and 31% short. And in option index, we have a 7,96,000 of call buying, and in put writing 1.50 lakhs contract. So here also we are super bullish. And in stock future percentage, 93% long we have and 7% short. So super bullish the client are. If market goes high, they will book a very good profit. If market comes down, they will be a very big losers. Promoters in future index 52% long, 48% short, and in call and in option index call they have a rating of 2 lakhs 42,000 contract, and put buying they have 1.21 lakhs contract. So here they have bearish, here they are neutral, and in stock futures good number of long they are in stock futures for 74% and 26% short. So here they hedge the positions, but they are positive only. So only negative there are FII, but all the three players there are positive only. Now we'll check the open interest, which strike prices, how much percentage the open interest is there in Nifty for this week, 6th expiry. So we can see a good number of call writing at 23,000. So now the market is at 22,550 in the spot. So it has a potential to go more 500 points as per this week, as per this data is stating. And for the whole month of June, we can see a 50% put writing at 23,000 and 100% at 23,000 call writers are there. So if 23,000 is broke by this month, within this month, there is a possibility of 24,000, because at 24,000 also we can see a good put writing. Let's see Bank Nifty 5th June expiry. So in this we can see a huge call writing at 50,000 and the minimum call writing at 49,500 and slight put writing also it's there. And for the month end, the whole month where we can see a good call writing that could be of 51,000 only. 50,000 is also there, but put writing is also there. 20% put writers are sitting at 50,000 and it is very much bullish. Now let's check the technicals. Nifty in 1 day time frame. See, it has made a doji candle after 4 to 5 consecutive falling days. So this doji candle, it's not representing anything, but it has a full stop for the fall. So if tomorrow, if there is a very good green candle, okay, we can expect a very big green candle coming ahead. Okay, as per the price action. Whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, see, it has recovered, and this shows the strength that there is a possibility of going high only. The technical analysis is positive for Bank Nifty, and for Nifty it is wait and watch. So one more thing, if there is a very good move in Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay, so the FII has to close their positions because they are created a huge negative positions on index. So if there is a very big big move in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can see a very good rally on the higher side. So that is only a positive thing we can see, because they have created a short. Okay, when the market is going loss, they cannot sit in a loss, so they will recover, they will cover their short. When there is a, when they will cover their short, there will be a short covering rally, so we can see a uptrend. So for tomorrow it is wait and watch. After tomorrow only we can see what's going to happen on the fourth election day, election results day, how the market is reacting. So that's it for today, guys. Don't make any investment plans or don't do the gambling. So it is just wait and watch. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and comment, and let me know what you want to learn. And please share with your friends. Bye.